When the mountain is your backyard and the streets feel like family, you're in Moon Valley. Welcome to Moon Valley, one of Phoenix's most picturesque and tight-knit communities. From wide streets and mountain views to neighbors who wave as they pass, there's a real sense of connection here. Moon Valley is all about lifestyle. The country club features an 18-hole championship golf course, fitness and aquatic center, and year-round social events. Nearby, you'll find the tennis and pickleball center, with trails at Lookout Mountain and Shaw Butte, perfect for active Arizona living. This home is over 2,600 square feet, filled with charm. With 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath plus a den, warm Saltillo tile, and a bright central atrium that brings the outdoors in. Plus, it's on a half-acre hillside lot, perfectly positioned for glowing Arizona sunsets. This kitchen centers the home with a perfect layout for cooking or entertaining. And one of my favorite things about this home is it's located right on the Moon Valley Christmas Parade route, a neighborhood tradition that's captured the heart of the community.